Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair store in Holland, Michigan. Today I have a quick tutorial on iPhone X. Apparently the person was able to call, but the people on the other side could not hear. Initially I thought by replacing the earpiece it would fix the problem, which I did. I actually bought the kit, which is right here, and it was about $25. That really did fix the problem, but the only thing is that he loses the Face ID option. So what I discovered is that I pulled the earpiece off and I started to clean it up, and I thought maybe I should give him a try again. After clean it, put it back on the screen and turn on the phone, did the test, and it's fully working. So I'd say before you give up and before you buy the kit, so possibly by cleaning would fix the problem. I mean, I hope you don't have this issue. This phone is fixed now, but if you don't have, I hope you don't have this issue, because it would actually take the Face ID off completely and you would be using the phone just simply by putting the password, which is not a good thing. If you find the video helpful, leave a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you next time on the next video. Thank you.